Hi everybody, in today's video I'm going to be walking you through setting up your Fire Stick with Smarters Pro. I'm going to walk you right through it whether you're advanced or you're new. Please pay close attention to this video because there's different Fire Sticks out there, but I'm going to be covering everything from A to Z, so it's very important that you follow. So here I am, I'm logged into a Fire Stick. I'm connected to the internet. First thing we're going to do is I'm on the home screen. We're going to go over here to our settings, okay? And we are going to go over to My Fire TV, okay? The first thing that you need to pay attention to is I'm going to show you with my finger. There should be developer options here, okay? Depending on what version Fire Stick. You might have developer options right here, or in this case, this is a newer Fire Stick with a new update. You can see it's hidden. We need to enable that, okay? So what we do is you go into About, okay? And you see where we're under Fire TV Stick 4K? You are going to use your middle button over here, and you're going to continuously click it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom, look at the bottom. No need, you are already a developer, okay? I clicked it 7 times. Now we click back. Developer options is showing up. Okay, that's something very important. If you don't have it, that's how you do it. That's the first step. Now we go into developer options and we are going to turn on apps from unknown sources. Okay, click on that. Yes, we want to turn it on. All right, that's the first step. We will click all the way back. We're going to go back to our home screen. And now we are going to head over to the App Store right here. We'll head into the App Store, and the first thing we're going to go and search for is an app called Downloader. You will type in Downloader. It's very popular, and it'll be found immediately. See, look, I just had to type in DO, and it already found Downloader. So we're going to open Downloader. We're going to install Downloader. Let this thing install. Okay, it's installed. We're going to open Downloader. Now, allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on your device. You need to allow this, okay? That's very important so that you could install the app, okay? So I'm going to be clicking Allow here. Okay, we'll click OK, and now you're presented with a search here. All we have to do now is important. Type in this following URL to go to our website and get the file to install the app. We will head over here. We will type in IPTV.tv / smart.apk. Okay, smart.apk. Okay, again, IPTV.tv / smart.apk. It's done. We click go. As you can see here, it's connecting and it's going to start downloading this file. It's 85 megs depending on your internet speed. Shouldn't take long. I'll go through it again. I won't pause the video or anything. Okay, so the app is installed. It's downloaded, excuse me. It's going to give you an option here at the bottom. As you can see, I'm moving it. You want to install the app. So I'm going to hit install. We're installing IPTV Smarters Pro directly from our site. And once it's done, we are going to click on open. Now the app will launch, okay? So first thing we are presented with is obviously, if you're on a mobile or a TV, this is a Fire Stick, so we're going to choose TV. We're going to click save. We're going to agree over here to the disclaimers. Okay. Now you're presented with your connection type. We do not offer any type of file URLs or playlists. We are strictly with extreme code APIs right here, which I'm highlighting. Okay, so the first step is to click on this. Now you're going to be presented with your login details. This is an important step. Once you place your order and in your order you say, I'm using a Fire Stick, you know, we will process your order only when you are charged, when you are billed. We do not rebill you every month. You are charged for what you pay for. We will email you back once you are billed and give you this information. We will give you this information in an email, and that's what you're going to use to log in. Okay. So any name, this is the name of a profile. You could choose whatever you want. The username, password, and URL we will provide to you. Okay. And then we're going to add the user. I'm going to do this right now, and then we're going to add the user and we're going to connect. I'm just going to speed through this video so it doesn't take long for me to type in. Okay, so I've entered my information here that was provided in the email. I'm going to click on at the bottom here, add user. Okay, so the first step is we need to download the guides over here. So as you can see, it's requesting a download. Very important that this is done. This might take a little bit of time. And you need to what I suggest with Fire Stick is that when you're finished using watching TV, let's say, or anything, always exit out of the app. Don't let it sit there and idle, because these need to be downloaded daily or every time you open the app. Okay, it's very important. So you'll come in here and you'll see there's an option to download or continue to download. This is to keep everything up to date. So I could see here it's been updated. You have your live TV, your movies, and your series. If I click on live TV, again, give this time the first time around. You'll have everything that in this case here, I set myself to English. You'll have all your channels over here. You'll have your movie section. You'll have your series. And that's pretty much it. I mean, from there, this is just you browsing around. If you want to favorite stuff, I'm going to explain that to you now. We get this a lot of requests. You go over the channel and you hold down on the middle button here. Boom, add to favorite. Okay. I add that to a favorite. You see the little heart, and now it's in a favorite. Okay. That makes it a lot easier to browse around to your favorite channels. So that's pretty much it. Again, please close the app when you're done. You always exit out of here. I'll go back to home here. And here's your app right over here. And that's the best practices all the time. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. And if anything, you could always send us an email. Thank you.